Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are connected and charged enough to install apps. This prevents interruptions. Open the Watch app on your iPhone because that's the control center for watch-specific installs. Once done, tap the App Store tab inside the Watch app to browse. You'll need to be signed into the App Store. If you want future apps to appear automatically, enable automatic downloads. This step puts you in the exact place to find workout apps for watch-sized screens. Now search inside the Watch app or the App Store for the workout app you want. Use filters like workouts or training to narrow choices. Make sure to check compatibility lines. Apps often require a minimum Watch OS or iPhone iOS because incompatible apps won't install. Tap Get or the Price button, then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password so the download begins. Once installed, the app icon will appear on your watch's home screen. Make sure it launched successfully. Finish by opening the new workout app on your Apple Watch and following the in-app onboarding. Grant permissions for motion and heart rate so metrics record accurately. Then customize workout types, goals, and display metrics either on the watch or in the iPhone companion settings so your sessions match your training needs. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active. Also check available watch storage. That one troubleshooting tip fixes most installation and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.